Hi ARK fans, welcome to ARK Invest Daily, your daily dose of ARK information. Today, in 5 minutes or less, we will go over 2 days, March 24th and 25th. And the reason is that ARK again delayed uploading the files for 24th. They uploaded it today in the afternoon. So today they uploaded 24th and 25th files, and hence the video is delayed. I have to combine 2 days and do one video for you guys. So we'll try to be very quick about it. In positives, Palantir, 1.7 million shares added. Wow, and Palantir is climbing up the rankings of 260 something companies that they are invested in. I say 260 something because there is a surprise today. There is a new company added. Skills also 700,000 shares added there. These are just two, but there are more companies where they added more position. In negatives, there is big tech that they reduced, Facebook and Amazon mainly. And like I said, the surprise is there is a new company added, and I'll give you a hint. It's a 3D printing company. Which one it is, we'll find out on the other side. Please like and subscribe, stay tuned, and support this channel. Thank you.
Ready, set, let's go. It's gonna be.
Hi guys, welcome back. In our summary section, we always try to keep an eye on high-level numbers like market value and total number of companies they are diversified in. The market value today for ARK is 45.4 billion, which is down from yesterday. Yesterday was bloodbath again, 45.7 billion yesterday, and today again 0.6 billion, 0.6% down to 45.4. So major drop there. I'm sure they are buying a lot more, and we'll find out which ones they are buying. Number of companies, we know they reduced 4 companies during this date range. You can watch old episode or weekly summary that I have for previous week, and you will know which companies those were. And today, actually yesterday, a new company added. Yesterday we were not able to do episode because the files were delayed, obviously. So today we'll showcase which company they added in their portfolio. It's a 3D company, 3D printing company. So that's high level numbers. We will not go into it by ETFs today just because we have a lot to cover and we have to fit 2 days in one video. This pie chart doesn't change much. The composition, basically a 48% is innovation, and the biggest ETF that they have, followed by genomics, next generation web, fintech, robotics, and autonomous, print, and Israel. We all are waiting for a space ETF. Once that is added, this composition will change. Obviously, we'll see how much it changes, and we are also awaiting a new FANG from ARK Genomics, like Cathie says. Let's see when it happens. Obviously, it will take time, but hopefully it happens sooner than later. In terms of ranking of the companies, we keep an eye on top 5: Tesla, Teladoc, Roku, Square, Roku, and Zillow. These have been top 5 since past few days. We know number 5 is always a little bit volatile. It used to be Baidu, which has dropped to rank 10. Wow. Okay, so Baidu used to be 5. It has dropped. Shopify reached up at one point, and now it's Zillow, which is in top 5. Let's take a look at Baidu quickly. Wow, yeah, the stock price has dipped to $204.60. So as I hover over these bar charts, guys, more information pops up, like which all ETFs it's present in. So at top, you'll see it's present in 3 ETFs, 72% present in innovation, 17 in robotics, and 11% in next generation web. So they bought 1.2% shares today, totaling up to 4.22 million shares. And the stock price dipped, and hence it has taken a hit and reached rank 10 today. Now, the one that we always try to take a look at, well, we'll take a look at it. I mean, Palantir, we'll take a look at it in biggest moves anyway, so let's not go over it over here. Let's move to biggest moves quickly. In biggest moves combined, 2 days combined, 24th and 25th, we have a threshold of 10% share change. So we always take a look at biggest moves 2 ways, guys. One is percentage shares. So this is a threshold we keep changing every day to make this more consumable. This is 10% threshold. So any company that increased shares by 10% or reduced shares by 10% or more will show up in this chart. And we also look at biggest moves by market value. And the reasons are twofold. One is because some companies, even if you move just a little bit shares, like 1% shares, the stock price is so much that it causes big move in the bottom line market value. So that's why we look at it this way as well. And also it could be a function of stock price going down or up by a lot, and hence that move also gets captured here. So that's why we try to capture both, biggest move in both ways. So let's go over it quickly, guys. Pinduoduo, which is an agricultural company in China, lots of shares added there too, 41%, 242,000 shares added extra. It's a new company that, well, not an entirely new company, but it was added recently in ARK, one of the funds in ARK, funds of ARK. Sear Inc., again 16% more shares added there, 72,000 shares added total. In skills, you have 13% shares added there, 648,000. As I hover over it, as you can see, there is more information, 3-line charts, which is shares count, stock price, and market value, and a bar on top that shows where all it is present. So it's this one, Adaptive Biotechnology, is present in genomics. Palantir, very popular company, very famous company, very bullish, Cathie Wood and lots of other people as well on this company. It's present in 2 ETFs mainly, ARK Innovation and Next Generation Web. They bought a lot of shares for this, guys. So 1.691 thousand, so almost 1.7 million shares added for Palantir, and it has climbed up the rank to rank 31. It used to be rank 39. It was ranked 39 2 days ago. Now it is ranked 31. Total ETF weightage of 0.88%, which is pretty huge. So in 262 companies, this company is ranking 31 in all ARK funds combined. So this is huge. Skills, also lots of addition there, ranking 86. In the negatives today, we have Amazon, 46% shares reduced there, and the stock price, as everybody knows, is a lot for Amazon, so it's a big dip. Looks like, in market value. There you go. It was present in fintech fund. So next is PayPal Holding. Again, they sold a lot of shares there. In 2 days combined, it's 21%. But yesterday, today, 41.5%. But 2 days combined is 21% shares sold. Intuitive Surgical, again, big company. A lot of selling of shares there too. Tencent, again, big tech. Facebook, big tech. A lot of selling there and buying growth companies, looks like. So that's the strategy that Cathie would always says as well, that they treat big tech these days as cash positions, so they sell it to buy the dips in the growth companies. Biggest moves by market value. So Baidu takes the biggest hit. Like we saw, it dropped to rank 10. As you can see, they bought the dip. Even though the stock price has gone down, they have bought 1.2% extra shares. Teladoc Health, again, a company that they are very bullish on, ranking 2, taking a big hit today. 2 days combined. Square also taking a big hit, 2 days combined. And Tesla as well taking a big hit. So 1, 3, 2 rankings. Look at the rankings. Roku also taking biggest hit. So all the top companies. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All the big companies, 9, 10. All the top 10 companies are showing up today in negative. For ARK, within this threshold of $40 million. This is insane. So this is combined 2 days trades, guys. So combined effect of 2 days is very negative, looks like. So that's biggest moves. The new company that was added, and I kept you waiting for it, sorry about that, but the new company section is the last section. It's SFPR. It's a SPAC, which is combining with a company that is doing 3D printing for metals. So you can look it up. Jaws Spitfire acquisition. SPFR is the ticker symbol, and the total number of shares is 0.8 million. Market value is 8 million, and stock price is $10.20. So 3D printing. In past also, they are basically adding a lot of 3D company shares, and they're increasing the position consistently in all of them. So that's the trend we are seeing for ARK 3D companies. So yeah, that was your daily dose of ARK information, guys. Thank you so much. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you tomorrow.